Mami Kasamba Kopencho. If you're a bold man, I am repeating this. Also for be Ghana. Ocean comes say your papa chief imam Ebewu. Okay, before me come ya mpacho. Me show be able for. Come share number. A disaster, national disaster. Could you believe say new war and so Kanisa will be one shan come Mukuruma? Because you have bloggers that they will defend whatever nonsense that you say out there. For them to come and lie about people. I told you how much I said. What man for the my terms are media shaman. After sending mass I warning, so some may be CB man, may not call it dirty. But well, because you need answer. You are the only man of God. I will be bow home pie boy. And so they are solely be a penny dean but you are the only man of God that will be bow home pie boy, utimba bonting, but can't say wabon pie amaneda. Yeah. You are the only bold man of God. Ultimate general property, so can the upper president. Because Ukokurumuti air 5 million. Ukokurumuti say no, air 5 million. Say. And now we don't know Madi account and now 6 point something, not to by president. Ukokurumuti air 5 million. Ukokurumuti nkwa. Na o to me be a shan koma. No, because I say some meter is a Obofour that sotias. His Excellency, former President Obofour Michel Bebre. The nipa who claim say war power had he hear me. I told you say me break you. But the time me break you no. Aba Johnson, maybe any pa adwimo, me did what them. Ti hani ye. Nipa who claim say war power, a campaign na oyama. Now sitting president, oh yeah, campaign. And I say what the spirit in the Jinanachi. It's a question many you to never discuss it the whole year. Men kasa men foul home. Now, men foul home. If so power, it me ye bibi. Spirit and a kasa chira wa ye no kora. Into uju who this spiritually, what performing miracle be a mobi into here gloria. Public prophecy saying our man at was in China, I'm for Hokora. America, what did you concerning American election? Inti Ankara, would the cap betumu when yen suyansan. Ankre. Out the cap betuma when yen suyansan. Dear dancers out the bucket to more besensio. Ankreno, bucket yatum, cap atum, and sensio. Ebeye den na ankreno, bucket tum asensio. And let me sign this warning to you. San trona, eya utwitwachira o bloggers no concerning me. Udi obi abone a, ewie no na obom paye, yebeche no. Nyankopon betua woka. Eda ye chiwa na menenam police hospital. Oh, nyame betua woka. Owi ebe basa me ena makeso. Karma will judge you. If I'll stop church, na se me ne wa finish here by expressing myself, I'll do that. I was just state, you know. You start to be in the pardon. Oh, the fear of the Lord. Enum. As an cowboy fear, I'm a law. Mimi is in Tiao. The same about air, national security for her, police company for her. So you nipa, o pesa sunjeba wiase ahon. Kaun fa current IGP ko gina wa o puppet so say president and vice president ehwema IGP ye de na oye. Because you see yourself say you are above the law. People must fear the law and respect the law for the law to be powerful. I hear me. I was a youth, those who are bad, criminals, whatever. Esromra, sabaya mrani betumi aye adwuma. Etimi uba me demo a ade am nimpa an se misromra. Me de akira me nsore ma, makakra wo TV so da. Ade ntia wo no obi aye bibia, oye na obompa ya yenche no na say. Ufi say oh political color. But the law is bigger than any political colors. Now, so be respect to prophecy. And I'm catching say, Ankoreno. And Timia Makurua Nyama. Better na mabakati ayama. You are not a prophet. You are a game-minded player. You play with people's intelligence. And I mean, what I'm saying carries weight. I told you. And you don't have any prophetic eye. He that heals does not heal themselves. Is that what you're saying? It's a lie. Sekura ton now ton plaster. Ubeti di biata kurunum. I want slam away. The catch was a memo blog ebia me di matembi. Unimu nyansa. You this man of God. You are a foolish man. What? Yes, I see you say, you are a foolish man. There be a young some cassia over so whom call with us in Yeska. A Marantia was street in Susumra, until moment to me, but who to me, General Puppet, so sign in the warning. We are now catch your bloggers as a monka, as soon as you bet channel. It is accidentally, lady Palinia, some ayawa. Almost through them come. But in a catcher, a buabia or basuma the bass or metro, I say, or true, we are when you're ready, so when I reply, you are a foolish man of God. And I challenge you, we need one power. What? One spirit you don't have. It is so quiet campaign. They let us know. So you campaign for a party, but you do not support a party with the spirit. Because I dare you, say, we need one power. And you know that guy sitting here talking to you. I said, I want to push you for you to do your works. How dare you? So we've been tenacity. I did we own. Did you need sympathy? Na obi abopa na yedi obi atem sa pa bon me ya we wa nya se me de hye o omo pagya wo your bloggers abi me ya we some your bloggers. I've been with you before. They are the people that you assign them to insult people. And yet then our bloggers asem copy osofo Victor Kusi Boateng edin copy your bloggers because you think sir only no problem. People should do a cross check and check. They should send their memories back. I'm not fighting no. I didn't know you know. That nonsense must stop. You know, one way and the other, yet me a mistake. What do you catch the former president? Say, would you agree Casa over can be actually no? Oh. We are too arrogant to the stand, sir. You want to be respected, but you don't have respect for people. It's a few people never me assuming such an office as a president. It's a special office. I'm telling you, I'm a man of God. But you are able to use that power to say whatever you say. Would you say Pobia Obo? When that was a police station, remember that? Me so they start and let me start. I said, no, I mean it all. Start and let me start. Who is a grandpa? You are not a grandpa. You are not. You don't deserve. Who impairs leadership? You are nobody. Me money you insult. Who you insulter? You become a quickly nuisance. Me see. Also for being the bloggers go social media. Omu di attempt every day, every morning. Just to be relevant. Just let me know. Also for being the bloggers. Me see me, I'll throw light on whatever that you are doing. No, my little insult, pepper, a wula utrim. Me see network in the year, me see me network. Also for bay. Mr. Green Room. Also for bay in the what bloggers, a good depending man say day and night. I don't know man, sad any trap, BBH because I don't know be in that time. Also for Ben and no be kasa. Also for Ben and no be kasa to me the blog is threatened. Mesi ubenya abuwa bi bawo. Afra ne so Obofour aba mon kwatake because we are more in social media. But I say on Americano, they will write, they will do what? Emfada. So who pen so? Who ye prophetic Idi Amin? Who ye Sofu Juma no Obreson? Who ye mu Idi Amin? O pension na Sofu Juma wo wa shada ama ye gu adwuma nani mase. Shewo Holy Guinness Book of Record your name will go down as a useless self-acclaimed leader. That's why I told you I'm not going to incite anybody against you. Timamin couldn't say, why will a man of God, our office is for you to protect? Thou actors and say we protect his secret. What is a doctor? Will somebody come to you? I'm going to be out of family for hobby. Obi beba wa obi pia pontin one day abeka se nipa so masi no oba me ho no no se na yira yesi no se na yire this no se na yire that. So obi beba wonkin bi ma. I don't want to say something that it will affect your members. Ni nipa no ye naive. Nature will judge you. And then also for such a camera na bo hall say obi betra wa my recording ada obaba but obi oba consultation secretary wo fie privacy no on person obaba sorry them ama ye hunu na ebi a wono kwa wa hyeda ma obi di ho asama ko hye ni tirim adi ho adanse akye no say nipa no so say wasan recording no camera bo edu oba hall a otena ha wo se betra ha no wa recording na to empenin phone mo fa sa se wo hye otirim no wa record o tie akonwa no ma na recorder hye akire no wa recording nipa na to search na de ba be sori atia. Hello. I'm telling you, obi afa na dwen konechi osofo be obi timi kofa no say spiritual father. Ye adwuma pa wa okofa no say spiritual father, a father. Now uye nyansani define what we call a father and explain it, set a table there. No timidi nipa ne betena bontin wo bra nipa ne ba. Forget about how I feel about our soften. Pains se kan twa say. Se kan twa no bi sade ne nsa ebom. Gina so se me guna sorry. Use that word. O se de ye boaboa no na wo bohwete no onkan ho. Edu pese ohunu nyankopon nipa check sade no. Do say sibu say me guna so wo dey sasofo na make no kora no wo mpena sama wo dey listen to asel na make kora no me support me but mo wadwun mu na ho. Let's discuss the satanic act. Me mo start here papa Woman start here, so when the past started. Enough is enough. No, be a power. Pepe brofuna nkasaka. No, tibidi di panu betena bontin. Na numu bon. Onwale. Na yere se. Na se mekuta me. Mekase me kan. Mekase me bieswa. Listen to yourself. Men cancer man of God. It tells you, say, you are immature. You are not matured. O blog be obeso camera be a GDA. Ya plug in. You listen to this. Nipa with me the car be chow. Forget the car no. A nipa with me no was sere. Oni mono na wonti sa if you find him. It one kai. David say, me pobia ya na doye Jonathan ti. Jonathan ti no me pobia ya na doye okai de na so openwa Jonathan fa ne papa echi be yaman en okai ma fibose. Nipa na ti ase papa forget the differences e won in ntem biara. What me betena sig so camera tena ofie konwam gu na nimase esosidi Obofour ofa baby Obofour wa wo je adwuba no koye security wo di nko aye 3 Obofour nyame na ehira no mo recording koma no ontwini cars Obofour okotu aduro Obofour no ho asem nipa na be ka kire me chief how relevant you are. Don't you know that you are irrelevant? I'm telling you. And now, who saw your thing God, you will be starting on your thing God. You know what in a and you know when I speak. Many do what I'm. But me be in the padri and when I speak spiritually, it becomes a law. And you know, say spiritually, I am more powerful than you. What the someone that you try to nipa so? Obi ya sorry, munko uram. Mumpeke si mano. On say, oh yes, I onya abayamani. Afidi awusu nipa da dosun. Se o ma onkura ne be kan say ye mo obi din a. O macho man Bempah, where is he? Waba minkia to also 3 years occasions. And if you claim say people around us brings you stuff, sir, we also know much you don't know. So we'll be back counseling, we'll feel relaxed because of her. So what you man go for because I was on my house or in Segua. Me no was starting. Nindi pano obefa our spiritual father no. Also for be a person okofa sa Captain Planet no spiritual father no. Be very careful. Achina, what do you say about Bob until I never took you as a father or a grandpa. You are not because you don't qualify. You need to there's specifications and you know some qualities are. Ubetimi do anwa kasa we your father, but your actions and your innocence would disqualify you. Papa ben the tina fiema seduafo. Number 1, usa ye kani bata media. Unim said ye nimbuasiete. Kura u film no ye de edin na kwa yie kobonsa. I repeat, ye de edin en na kwa yie kobonsa. For nipa no differences are no wato nchen. Ye de din wu krom, wo ye santiniba. Udi agro santimem. Ye de din na kwa yie kobonsa. Ye de din na de bakosku Ghana ye de din tum. Yesu say Onyankopon man ni din a aburu din nyina so wa man ni din na wo de wo senkofo din in the name of atro Yakopon nipa se me bai na me ye wo ya boa wagimi wo actions ni bi chese wagimi eno de no kore but me ye no nko a nipa nte de mpesa me kana se nti wo blogger na wo frɛ no no pai my blogger my wife my blogger my wife my sweetheart my blogger Ofa na no pai so me di matem cancer no sansa no matia brew so se mama agra da di matem a ka mama agra da di matem na no ofa ne hwan wo kurum ha na hwan na no prezi no people should wake up Why no go di atemba obo na baso one ne tie akonwa mo sare. Forget the maame naka wadidi matemate. Onipa bia ni wa wote wa asofofie. Efia wo nwura mu no onsuro mu asam. Why ne gina wo say yeah. And abranti okasama we ya bawe assistant head master. Adi na obeka ye se wo se wo ka so mfanye me. Mami agrada di matam no. Odi obi ose agrada di matam. Former agrada, min ka agrada nimpo. Mama Pat. Di matam amanti ase sister no. Obofour de mami di ye. Why na man di ye me? Samre no. Na wo sofo mu atewa ye gu anim asidi watani ye pegya no. Nti odi woni mo wu a wonhwe na. Forget the differences anu sister o. Forget monya no kwafo. Me see, se wonim no kura na hye da kata so in the name of me suffer. Na woda ne jimi. Meba. Mimi more audio we are. Man no chen audio. I'm not going to play any audio. My mouth is more than audio. Me more serious critical analysis. Samre no na ne wofa na hwan. Obi si makobo enne Mama Patricia. Oya osofo ba ma boni din keke e condition be de da men so film soko on tiase samre ho na no ne tie akonwa mu a one ne ye chile ne chenchela ala yan na ne chenchela yan ndi oje why na man ne fie ni mu nsam ho be hunu mpo atwa na firimani. What you someone say? Intino every day min nika kwasi do bi anim kan. De ne maame wu na wa amre no. Oba ha obetwuru nsem hu. De ne maame wu na wa o maame amre no. Em se ne maame kodware. E maama wo no mo fa nche me. Kosumo de mo fa yawo. De ne maame wo na wa amre no ba ha oba be kata anifrem atwuru nsemu because obese Obofour hodom no ye ho na na ye ba ne ko Obofour nti ya bopa de abranti afa kwanu asanyina so unu de maame ne wasem bae time andi ki kansem no mi hu se kwadwa ba yi mi no the limit of talks assembly wo wa andi cannot say it because enya no kore. Enipa on obi agimi kura no obi nim nyansa wagimi no omma okwan ma na brabum emma sebi osi toilet so kura osi gina me nchen da bia mkase obi kasa nyansa fo ntie obi agimi a wagimi no omma okwan sebi woyi mframa bone kura be gina ho cause there's a gap between a bridge, a father and a son, and a head and a worker. And the boy start talking. Once the man responded, "O can't say me bisa na makai." Say a day will come on, we hear sound, and that boy will one day change. O kasa. It mean kasa sa. Say Asamoo akora Kenya 400% 100 na monchen. Ade na ma wonya 2 media de wodi ye Yesu. Na obehunu si platform nso na interview no. Cartels. A link. Now we are say it me sha grow no sana mu say wo de obehunu different o. Bloggers e kasama papa nyina comment on the video ase. Ti asem ni ye. Bloggers e kasama papa nyina comment on the video ase. Omo nyina interview and blogger bebre ebi no e kasa na envelope nko yo mbeja. Obi ne oku eyaka minka se me no no nyame dwuma ba ko pe na momadi kan ye yaba ye di we atem na say nipa ni praise you owi a no say gina wasore dem ukoye program kuma se no gina mu nti being a leader no father say na me say on qualify no ka wo nyansani abaka chi akora no say bema emere bi ka papa ya chiw me na me ka chi no say wonyai nti no akoba say wo say di na temo na say nyese minim humbia na wo say gina me nchi ame na me no kobe be wo de wo nsan ni yansa bi aka chi akora no wo san che ni sika Upa kwensiara namba se ya mfrana mra ofie na so ma yewu ni anansa wose o problem wo wi asene se mene maame agrada akasa betama maame agrada edi matemu kuruma na downfo ne hwan obi ball na so winning man of the match ya ubana award samre ni yi ano de ntina se wagimi na se wadwene da wapampamu a ye ka asam a wunti ase obu anadwene no mi hu ba bi da enana pa abise da da kiko wagimi obi bobo na se wonya bibi dibre ye aban akuafo ye bo ma basu wo hu de na oprapra kwa ho a ye fra ne se ye ma na akuafo hene da ti asam no edi adwuma na maame ne yes ayi na obo na baso se wa ya ade because we reverend minister maame no so that time sister Pat emane how me do din bebe nsem kafra that time no okom enti osofo akom na nipa na ekom na abo na baso because uzu nim se sum ni han ni twaka enti na wo bo na baso se wa ya ade se video no ho wo bo na baso se wa ya ade se wa kom afinim wa kom o se asofo nye asofo bi frɛ ekuta aduro nyansafo na mra sa level we time na bo ma me na baso se wa ya ade a wo ba ofie de sie de be fa ho na wo frɛ na bo na baso se wa koma kompa anase wo de Elijah honhom na akom anase no wo de bo kyewa na akom anase wo de apepe na akom etosofo na wo ye obi a wo ye Ghana ni nso ugbo Togo akuafo abaso ana ti asem ni yo time na wo frɛ mama Patricia oduro krante amame agada ene wo de obi ankɔbɔ de ma America fa me ho bɔ why na bo na baso mo piafo santefo ebo adwubo asi akoma baso nti ya bo abaso wo ba mamu wa ye bi aye bi afo nti ya bo ma me na baso se wo sofo apostle no ebo de wo kom na baso se wa ya de wonim kom ana anasa na ye ne fe samina no so no na wasati wa Sunday bia ye talking point na me no me ye head 90%. Enti ni ye bo na baso se wadidi obofo ne yira tamato obofo ma hunti ne ye bo na baso ana se nim ye nu nyina wosofo se obo ho abaso a awurade aha asambati afaso nkonkro shamedin cash o bo na baso se wadidi matam di me yire ne me matab no ana wa na feeding information na wo frɛ na bo na baso ana anase nyame nipa ene de wo ye akomfo moderator na wo bo akom na baso ene wo frɛ akom no so hu de o bloggers ya no dina tamawiya na ti wo no esum ne na ti wo mu na de han ne na akata so shut up pure analysis tam na bo ma me na baso mo opiafo no na adwuma be na wa ye wo kroma na ye me matanie ene wo ye na juma eti which one abo na baso o kasa na ya yedin o nkofo bi nka bi osofo obofo nye wa na odi na tam hwan na wiye ya wo bo na baso hwan na ma na henche obrafo ene de ahenche hye sa akode ye na obrafo won ya ye se wo yo ino eno mbo onwumo yi okode ni ni sa akode okode ni ni sa akode obrafo na hye na henche it is am in school bena na obi akwa wo ball na baso tama yegu asofo anim ase won na tu no na TV bi amfra obi emebo a eho na akọ guarantee interview osofo nipa nya nkora o Siakasi no start here. Me see a poor na wo bo anu amani pa duru baby. Munko trust state on yes. What try ya be chow. I'm telling you, I have things more than what you think you have. Trust me. Kwasian ko na ba ha obetwere Jimmy say. Me say, Tama, one more blogger be gino kekan kwasiasem. Keka mame grada, den mame grada, and then mame Patricia odidi mata. Me too like that to asem no so. Odi atem no anya sofo. Owie no. Obi anim say, why princess that time no, when I born abasu okurum ha. O man award, life. Nanya me juma. Oye mo adwuma Sunday gidi kokubo for video no born more. And so amanfo hu se me say gina oba bi ase. J Mike pagya o cancer papa fa ho ma me gu anim ase. And so no ma ye gu anim ase sister no ba bonti so na de adwuma man no. You told the whole world say no correct. You are a foolish man. Young guys, no na momra ha. Omo madwuna wu na ya mo bribe no. Let them go and sleep. No be abedi di atem no aka. Osofo asomasi, osofo papa. Akokora, nya no na be pagya wo. Ohun ba na butu oba so na wubusa se de obofo, oni obi da etie no. Wo da wa ohun ba nyina na medin na wo bo. Ohun ba nyina mi medin na wo bo. Aboa wo wia no. Ohun ba ubutu ba asu nyina na wubusa mase wo ta me besi ma yase wo dey maka to say bloggers they don't know what I know about you and open all of them and now open some things that it is not me the blackmail you. I will let you know say me hu say wo dey ade here me kotena city me ka sama wo ni mu mfa me ho etwa troto me so na then I begin to dig you. Wo dey dare me say won hye nkom da Penimu bi obaji wo di se wo sunsun na ade ahye nkomesa be analysis anwumre. You don't have spiritual eye. Did na show bi nkoma oben no obusa na se won asum. Wo ka se me discredit me ngumi mani mase. I will discredit you. Me say wo need power. Wo you powerless. Wo you fake. You person define fake. You are the toppest. Wo ma wo baby aso camera. I swear. Mama me ma so camera wo kroma do atem. You can't do enough of the focal. Once I catch on a passer who will be by member, will be a so camera, Miss Mama, my mana, so she will insult you. Or 31st with this year, Empha. You pay bloggers, you pay media men. When am I Ozzy from Didi Matem? I'm on phone him. Me say some more. What now would ma Ozzy Didi Matem that time and then the court. Then Mamma Grada and the patch, Choma Ozzy. More to minimum Huntasem. I said no court on a bigger quiz. And a friend Mamma Grada, Satana Mamma Grada, Colonia Poplar, or no the patch Choma Ozzy FM. Wouldn't chew one and partials. Actually, wouldn't confess you by. Wouldn't my dear Odia Mekukum. What's that him and this solitia may you the demon? May you not an upper or foolish man like you. I will hear you while in Nank while in the guy. Oh, Fonsa toy the boom water. Damn you! Ozzy FM will be on check it. And yes, Juman had the media men, I yet tell me Pocroma. A two blogging, but see me no win, I die. At that coming, I'll do it with you. Foolish man like your type. Me say Jimmy for the baby Jinaha. Obian Jackie, tell me you good depending on so on the two. I don't know interview I can see a grant about. O space a phone, traffic most personal. Who is Eda? Hey, Obias or what your crab and I be to him. Why Eda way? And you in the chilling answer. When you know what Jimmy, oh. Would I have my best answer on a mechanical? Eda, why Eda, however? Can't shut up. Where that also? I have for a bobo ya and I can say the bobo ya free hair comali. Saying you don't wash your quema. He qualifies to be elder. Shut up over there. What do you start from Ozzy? Case the quarter. You cost several. A chi Ozzy be cancer me. Elder. I'm a casa no cry, my father. When your father will be also. Or baby to send me. And go be this as him would. we are suffer na se nyame de ahini ehye onsa e wa hwe so ampa suffer mani mmra de osofo pani student na ba mo a omo pagya nipa omanu nse nipa na ukọ adwa mabre ho ni fie si nsuo ma nsuo to ntimi nko fie no ho ko di agoro se wo ko fa na se fada na de ni die komana wo de niam aba family ye nyame bi na gina ye chintia father. Who is father? Just ask someone the nipo muni nyansa metie proper analysis. Tama mele mami patricia kokoto no osofo be na frame no gina fon so gidigidi se menyai mele andi e call police station sofo be na frame so kuma chomi nyama nka 2 se ni pa ni nyina so madi matem ele obi ka sa amso oboa 2 ni nyina wono abodam. Shut up over there. Unumandro to say, Unruba, Unum to say, the Abura Kwaya Kenika. Would you bring all of them? Me next time, so would the woman you do me, my matem, Edi, me matem, Edi, me ratem, me call my meso, me din Hong Kong 1 week. Me yoma, me more Juman and some me can. Who says, send your back of Hong Kong, and Nima, I dear my dear mamma. Me you woman. I can't fast so about pass him. I can't say me a lesbian. Eh? You Jimmy force off. What? A poor binu. Nipa da sani awaba on chain. Ofiri woko ya no mo bia efi London and so so. Ofiri se waba on chain no be make peace plus A plus. Okoya na say that catch the blogger say won so nsi so. O de me see my start ya pa wa dwuma. No na me kana ofiri say ya agro. I didn't respect a man farmer. Dear now, baby. Media analysis, no. The woman as well life be let them finish, and you see those people that will come live for you. I'm telling you. The next one now, I'll come another life with different life. Different move, kura. Me see would any button you want to press. Let me see press it. I said, America, how long can once I want to some kura maker press whatever button you claim you can press. I'll press mine. No, me catch yourself was starting my year me from 2016. Ghana will be shocked. 2016 now starting a home power. Ulim Tama we started use you Andy. This is not beef. This is not beef. Okay, catch my blogger, my wife, and say whatever that she claims she has about me, let her bring it. I'll come. The 31st in November, Monkoka will be found. Me see, Momon starting. Let them bring the fire this time more. Our form. Minko obi aho meba ho obi obebe bia meba wa ho na meba so bia meba ne different e bia so na shock mi wu me di meba akokora na mi wu koba me saman will still respond to you why ya che jai